Thanks for tuning in to the market wrap. Well, the ASX 200 or the Aussie share market ended higher today by the skin of its teeth, gaining 0.01%, with the benchmark ASX 200 slipping in and out of positive territory for most of the day, with a range of 42 points. Even though the market lost 0.7% or 47 points yesterday, we are set to end the week high, with buyers taking advantage of undervalued stocks. So what happened today? Well, everything was looking positive from the get-go, but then the South China Morning Post reported the US and China didn't make progress at their deputy level trade talks this week. That spooked US aftermarket traders, seeing the Dow futures fall over 300 points, indicating US equities would be sold down or drop when they reopened. But the White House later quashed this report, which is what traders wanted to hear, with particularly the US-China entering official trade talks in the US on Thursday. And that's why we saw the US futures recover from most of their losses, and our market ended in slightly positive territory, with half of our sectors on the ASX finishing with a profit. On the economic front today, we saw Aussie home loan data come out for August, beating market expectations, which is why the financial stocks rose. The ABS reported home loans rose 1.9%, better than the expected lift of just 0.2%. On the investment property front, mortgages reached their strongest ever levels in nearly 3 years, proving the resi or residential property market is growing. Nevertheless, bank stocks ended mixed. CBA was down slightly, 0.1%, while Westpac gained 0.4%. In terms of company news, retail business Kogan was rated by Credit Suisse for the first time, being marked as an outperformed stock. Credit Suisse notes the stock is undervalued, putting a price target of Kogan at $7.18. And today, Kogan shares fell over 5%, closing at about $6.17. Its shares have been doing well of late, though this year they're already up about 21%. It comes after their profit is showing strength and resilience. Their recent profits saw a jump of 22%, while Kogan.com active customers are up 16%, hitting 1.6 million customers last financial year. Year to date, Kogan shares are up over 80%. And despite the gold price doing well, a gold stock Resolute Mining, ticker code RSG, saw their shares fall 11%, erasing about 3 months of gains today after the company announced a potential disruption to its production. And as this could impact their cash projections if the issue is not resolved in the short term, its shares were sold down, seeing the company claim the second worst performing post among the top 200 stocks. Despite that, Resolute Mining shares have been doing well. Year to date, their shares are up over 10%. Going the other way, one of the best performing stocks today was Orora, ticker code ROA. Their shares surged 14% today to a 2-month high. It comes as before the market, the company pumped out 2 press releases announcing the sale of their Australasian fibre packaging business for $1.72 billion. And despite the iron ore price falling slightly overnight to $91.06, BHP rose slightly by 0.2%, settling at about $35.07. The Aussie dollar has gained ever so slightly. It's now buying 67.47 US cents. Thanks for tuning into the Market Wrap. I'll see you tomorrow morning.